civilmedia.mk. Slobodno, nezavisno, otvoreno.
From the perspective of a researcher, and well, I can say that speaking of Serbia and Serbian context, we have a good legal context and legal framework. Unfortunately, we do not have that in practice. So yeah, of course, hybrid attacks are pretty much present, especially in huge growth of racism, nationalism, hate speech, hate crimes. But unfortunately, when you see that on the paper, everything looks fine, everything can be prosecuted. But in the practice, very few cases have seen their end and have seen their justice, right? Especially speaking in the case of minorities, speaking of ethnic, religious, national minorities. In our experience, when we talk about media, especially in media landscape, I can say that unfortunately, for the last 2020, I haven't seen the cases that had their justice in the court, right? That's unfortunately, I mean, maybe you have heard on the news that Serbia, according to the Freedom House report, it's not considered democracy anymore, right? So we have, it's also a little bit to speak about these problems that unfortunately are considered to be smaller than the problems we had currently, right? We have way bigger scandals and affairs, and then when we actually speak about hybrid attacks and we are not considered as serious as this is, unfortunately.
civilmedia.mk. Slobodno, nezavisno, otvoreno.